visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours, and please believe in the divine timing, no? Kasi whenever you see the video, the message is meant to find you. So, tignan natin kung anong nangyayari sa inyong mga buhay-buhay. Let's start with the full card, the Hierophant, and the Magician. So, parang meron ditong somehow gap when it comes to ages. Pwedeng this can be a May-December love affair. Pwedeng konti lang din naman. If we're not talking about the numbers, then probably we're talking about um, the maturity, no? Pwede rin nang pumasok dito ang LGBTQIA+ relationship kasi nakakakita tayo ng sort of the suit is more of a manly figure, no? So parang isang medyo bata, isang medyo somewhat merong edad. But then again, this is more of sabihin nating okay naman yung relationship, no? It just so happened that probably kasi mas malapit dito yung Hierophant doon sa Magician. So it felt like, well, this has been very obvious, no? Kung sino yung medyo may edad, no? Siya yung parang may means of creating the world, means of creating a specific event, situation, a life. It could be a life of this full card of this younger no one. Ang nakikita natin dito, so medyo kahit merong differences, maganda naman yung nakikita nating camaraderie nila. Wala akong nakikitang away. Syempre, may mga differences, gano'n naman talaga. Bawat tao may kanya-kanyang pag-uugali, di ba? So, ang nakikita naman natin dito with the Hierophant, kaya naman, no, na, kumbaga, kaya kong mag-adjust. So, someone here is trying to adjust, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Ten of Wands. So it felt like there is some issues with, not really an issue because tinitingnan ko yon, no? If I am the person who has probably a means of living, hindi ko naman siya tinitingnan as somewhat issues. Parang nakikita ko lang na siguro ako yung taong makakapagpabago ng buhay nito. Ako yung taong either makakapagpabago ng either ng isipan nito to become more mature, magkaroon ng focus. The Ace of Pentacles kasi more of nakikita natin ito na sige, I am willing to start with you, no? So, meron ditong isang malaking um, the full card na more of I'm going to take the risk even though no siguro kahit may mga social norms, the Pope is in here, parang I'm trying to be more open-minded with this. I'm trying to be more sabihin nating reasonable in a way, more of not really looking into other people's reason but reasonable for the both of us. Catch my drift? Kasi merong mga pwedeng mga magsabi ng or mga tao na pwedeng magsabi, ay nako, masyadong malaki na yung age gap niyan, baka mamaya gamitin ka lang niyan. Dito yung isa is more of, nakikita ko kasi yung situation niya, and kahit hindi siya humingi ng tulong, since mahal ko siya, I am willing, 'no? Willing naman ako to actually lend my hand. So, with the Ten of Wands, it is clarified by the Empress and the Four of Swords. So, parang someone here view the other person not tamad, pero, wala pa ganoon kalawak na skill. Puwedeng, I'm seeing the person probably hindi kasi nakatapos, so walang gano'n kalawak yung knowledge. So I am here to help, now give the person a chance to probably work, a chance to probably start a new life, a chance to para makapag-aral or bigyan ng knowledge or wisdom with the higher fund. The magician, I have all the means to impart this to this younger person. And sabihin na natin, itong younger person kasi the Empress is more of, para siyang si Aphrodite or Aphrodite, no? Na more of, and Venus, no? The beauty, the love. So it felt like I am in love with the person sa pinapakita niya, and of course the physical, the features, no? So meron ditong na in love din ako sa visuals. So gano'n naman talaga, no? Hindi naman natin masisisi, sabi nga nila 'di ba, love is a I mean God is a God of beauty. So walang ginawa ang Diyos na hindi maganda. Kaya this is also godly, no, na ma-inlove ka sa maganda sa paningin mo, because that is beautiful in my eyes. So, wala naman sigurong masama, no, na magkaroon din ako ng paghanga. So, with the Moon card, the Ace of Swords. So, it felt like siguro meron ditong nagtataka bakit lagi ko na siyang naiisip. So, it felt like to me, wala pa namang ganoong yung commitment nito hindi pa ganoon kalalim or kaseryoso tulad ng, okay, we're already a couple, pero meron na nagtataka na bakit lagi ko siyang naiisip, laging gusto ko siyang makasama. Hindi ko na rin maintindihan yung sarili ko na para bang gusto ko talaga siyang kupkupin na, no, maging isa kaming dalawa, magsama kami sa loob ng bahay. So, nandun na sa situation na sabihin natin malalim na yung pagtingin. Pero yung lalim ng relasyon hindi pa, kasi wala pa sigurong pag-uusap ito na, we're making this official na tayong dalawa na talaga. It's more of we are understanding each other. So puwedeng ito sabihin natin na, we're understanding each other because of, mutual understanding, or we are in a situationship. Situationship, the Six of Swords, the Devil card, and the Three of Cups. Alam mo, ang maganda lang naman kasi dito, it's more of the Six of Swords. It is actually traveling in a calmer water with the Devil card. Ito lang kasi yon, habang nagta-travel tayo, of course, there will be people who will travel, which means putting the connection, no, while during the connection, in the process of getting into the connection, kung makikinig tayo sa mga taong nakapaligid and trying to watch us, I think that there will be an issue. Pero kung kayong dalawa lang naman talaga ang nagkakaintindihan, so nakakakita tayo dito ng Three of Cups, which is a celebration. So kasi ang maganda naman dito, meron na kayong foundation somewhat dahil maganda yung camaraderie, kahit may mga differences, nakikita ninyo na kayang mag-adjust, na kaya naman siyang, kumbaga, kaya ko, no? You're confident enough that you can either lend a hand, that you have the enough knowledge, that you have the capability to make this person more focused in life, no, na hindi masira ang buhay. And it felt like kung yun lang naman din, no, kung kayong dalawa lang ang magkakaintindihan, it felt like this is a good relationship. But then again, kung magpapadala tayo sa the Devil card, no, sa mga taong nakapaligid sa akin para sirain, it felt like sabihin natin syempre magkakaroon ng challenges. But then again, with the devil card in here, parang ang lakas nung ang lakas nung dating anong Three of Cups. Kahit sabihin mong minor arcana siya, parang na-supersede niya yung major arcana na the devil card because kahit anong gawin ng iba, parang feeling ko hindi ito magagapi eh. Parang pakiwari ko, hindi ito kayang sirain ng chismis lang. So this is a perfect, not really perfect. This is a good relationship that probably we can learn from and nurture, no? So, yeah, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago yan, gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na if you resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung meron po kayo mga questions sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. So take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check now the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, Capricorn. I'm seeing Gemini. I am seeing Aquarius. I'm seeing Scorpio, Aries. Taurus is here. Virgo is here. Leo is here. Taurus is very dominant, no? I am seeing Libra. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat po. Love and light. Namaste. See you po no, sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.